What's up guys, it's Matthew from Matthew's Fan Videos, and today what I have here to show you is this Lasko 18-inch oscillating pedestal fan, model 1844. I got this fan at Lowe's 10 years ago. I don't know what price it was for, but all I know is that I got it at Lowe's. It's a slightly older model because it has the earlier Lasko logo, though the one that came earlier beforehand was much different. The newer one that Lasko uses today it came out around 2013. And yes, the plate is usually chrome, but I colored it black because I got really bored and I didn't have anything to do. And as you can see, it also has gray blades too. Well, this specific model. The original pedestal fan, the 1843, actually has gray blades. Not gray blades. Black blades like the rest of the fan, but this one has gray blades. But they both do take the same black knob that holds the blade into place. It's just your basic screw-on knob, nothing really special. And here's the control panel for it down here. And yes, this is a remote control pedestal fan. In fact, here's the remote control for it right here. It's just your basic Lasko remote, nothing special. And Lasko also puts their logo on the remote too. And this one has the same logo as the one on the fan. It even does the same thing with the newer one, it'll put the newer logo on it. And this fan also has a blue plug. As previously stated, all Lasko fans, no matter what color, model, or style they are, it's always going to have a blue plug. So, let's go ahead and turn this fan on. I'm just going to show the push buttons on the fan just so you guys can get an idea of how it works. So, we'll start off without oscillation. So, here's high without oscillation. It is a really powerful fan. And it is pretty loud too. Here's medium without oscillation. Sometimes you may have to push the button a few times in order to actually get it to work. And it starts to quiet down a bit too. And here's low without oscillation. And this is your quiet speed right here. Not the quietest, but quiet enough. Now, we're going to go ahead and show off all the speeds again, but this time with the oscillation on. So here's high with oscillation. Knob's right back here. Here's medium with oscillation. And here's low with oscillation. And here's the automatic shutoff timer here too. Here's 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and off. Now, let's go ahead and turn the oscillation off. And let's also turn the fan off too. And there you have it, guys. That is my Lasko 18-inch oscillating remote control pedestal fan, model 1844. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.